Okay, today we're going to go through how to fix Software Manager if you're having trouble with it not wanting to load or download the newest software version or fails to sync, that sort of thing. Pretty well any issue you have with Software Manager, this will take care of it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our C drive and then go to our SDS folder. And then in there, we want to delete the display dependency folder. Then after that, we're going to go down here to the payload SN folder, open it up, and delete anything that is inside that folder. Then go back to our C, and then go to users. If for some reason you can't see users in this, or here in a minute you can't get to the app data folder, I'm walking through getting there, go to view, and right here make sure this box is checked to show the hidden items. So to start with, we're going to go to users, click on your username, we're going to go to app data, then roaming, and then go down to the JD Sync folder and delete anything that is inside here. I did this not that long ago, so mine's already empty. And then we are going to uninstall Software Manager. So go to add or remove programs. If it's not up here on the list, you just search for it here. Scroll down and find Software Manager. Right there, click on it, hit uninstall. Once it's completed, you can go ahead and close that. Then open up your web browser and go to stellarsupport.deere.com. Click on Gen 4 display updates, hit download now, and it's going to open up the window to download and install Software Manager. And that's pretty well straightforward, just like any other program. Just click through it, finish. Once it finishes installing, you'll go ahead and open it up, and then you can just download the newest update.